Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer.com. Let's take a brief look at this RC Manufacturing Bright Aluminum F-Series Underbody Toolbox. Now this toolbox is going to be great for you if you're maybe an electrician or a plumber or maybe a mechanic and you need a secure, rugged storage solution to keep your tools organized and accessible on the job. This is going to be great if you utilize your truck for work or personal use and you want to maximize the available storage space without compromising on cargo capacity. Now this is going to be ideal for your flatbed trucks, your dump trucks, or trailers, and this box is designed for the driver side. We do also carry the passenger side version of this, and I'll show that to you as we wrap up our time together here. Now this toolbox is going to mount to the underbody of your truck or your trailer to give you 9 cubic feet of secure storage. And I do want to point out that the brackets and hardware to install this is not included. That's something you would have to pick up separately depending on your particular application. So let me give you a brief demonstration of showing you how this opens up and giving you a look on the inside. So we have these flush mounted T-handles here, so I'm going to lift them up, give them a turn. Now I want to point out that this box is on a turntable, so it's going to be just a little bit wobbly, just to give you a heads up. So I just wanted to show you how these doors are going to open. And we do have these gas struts here that are going to do a great job of keeping both of these doors open. But as you can see, they're also going to, as you begin to open them, they're going to pop open all the way. And then when you begin to close them, they're going to close as well, virtually by themselves. I also have a toolbox in here, just to kind of give you an idea of the size that we have to work with on the inside. So just a standard toolbox here to give you some perspective. But I wanted you to notice just how open it is. So you're going to be able to easily get your stuff in there without any problem. Let me give you a lower, more close-up view, so hopefully you got a good view there. So no center posts or anything like that. You're going to be able to get everything in and out real easily. Also, if you notice on the perimeter here, we do have an automotive grade bulb seal that's going to do a great job of protecting your gear from the elements and from road spray. So your stuff inside is going to remain dry and safe from the weather. So I said this box was going to give you secure storage. So let me go ahead and close this, and it has a nice satisfying closing feel to it. So we're closed, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn my handles down and close them. And I like that these are flush because maybe if you have like a loop on your pants or something like that, they're not going to get hooked on the handle. So you are going to get a total of 4 keys, and 1 key is going to operate the locks. So I'm just going to take one of the keys here, stick it into the lock, give it a turn, and do that here as well. So as you can see, we're now secure. The handles are locked, and everything that you have in there is going to be nice and safe. And then it's going to be just as easy to unlock it and then turn the handles, and then you'll be able to open that up real easily. So it's going to be very convenient to get your stuff in and out and to keep it nice and secure as well. So this is made here in the USA, and it's made out of heavy-duty diamond-plated aluminum, and it has this bright aluminum finish. So this is going to be very strong, durable, robust, but relatively lightweight for the size. It's about 90 pounds or so, and this is going to do a great job of withstanding harsh weather and road conditions, but it's going to do a great job of resisting rust, obviously no rust, but resisting corrosion. It's going to give you many faithful years of service. Let me go ahead and put a tape measure up to this just to give you an idea of the size. So looking at the overall length here, we're at 48 inches on the dot. The height from bottom to top, 24 inches. And then the width or the depth, whatever you want to call it, I'm going to be measuring from the front of the door here all the way to the back, and hopefully you'll be able to see over my big head there. And again, we're sitting right at 24 inches. So hopefully that'll give you a good idea of the size and what to expect. So if you are looking for the passenger side one as well, on your screen I am including our model number for that passenger side. You can just take that model number, pop it in the search field of our website. That will take you to the passenger side, and you can add that to your order. Now, if you decide that this is going to work for you, if you get it installed, we would love to hear how you're going to be using this. So drop us a review, send us an email, give us a call, let us know how you're going to be using it, and we'd love to get pictures from our neighbors as well. So send us some pictures and show us your setup after you get this box installed. Well, I think that's going to wrap up our look today. I do hope that our time together was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.